All right, now that I have this trimmed up and I like the way it looks, fits well, I could still finish this edge a little bit better. It still has a little plastic crap from where I was grinding on it, but all in all, I like the shape of it. I have to start making this metal section in the center to go around the exhaust pipe. I want to extend it so that it actually gets secured to these brackets, you know, the metal shield, and I want the shield just to be flat here and then just bend down maybe 1 inch, 90-degree angle, and those will go this way, and that'll support some plastic fins that I attach to that. So they're almost sacrificial pieces. If it was to, you know, back into something and break off, I could just rivet a new one onto this metal shield that I'm going to be putting in the center here. So that's kind of my thought on it. Plus it'll look a little bit better being the same material on all the vertical slats. So I measured from here to here. It's 29 inches. Added a couple inches more. I'm doing 31 inches. And then 29 inches out. So I'm just making a rectangle out of metal right now. So any excuse I can find to use my Chinese plasma cutter, I take advantage of. This is not the right tool for the job. I mean, it's going to work just fine, but you'd be better off using a cutoff wheel. It'd be a more clean, precise cut. But I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna do it. All right, now I cut this piece of sheet metal roughly. This is all the edge that, you know, you get with the plasma cutter, so not too clean, but I have it so it extends over here, so it connects at the same point at these braces here, and it sandwiches the plastic above it. This plastic cutout's larger around the exhaust pipe, and then this metal shield is gonna be riveted or screwed, you know, with some large fender washers on the plastic side to attach it here. Maybe some button head fasteners. I guess the whole point of this is aerodynamics, so I'll try to keep those as flush as I can. And then, you know, finish sand this, paint it so it's a flat black, and I can attach my plastic pieces to this. These are a bit large. I may even make these smaller, but that'll give me a strong panel to attach those to, where that if something ends up happening, or he brings it up on a trailer and it scrapes and breaks off, I'll be able to reattach it. And these are heavy enough gauge where they won't be compromised. So it's kind of my plan for this. So now I'm gonna pull this back down, sand the edge of it a little bit, and then maybe I'll drill some holes in here first to mark where it lands, because I'm pretty satisfied with the location. And then I can finish this, sand some of this surface rust off, and keep going. All right, this is what I did today. See, this is that piece of metal that I was talking about welding in there, or you know, modifying. This is how it's gonna go. The plastic stakes are gonna be attached to this metal bracket, and that's it. So should be hopefully one more video and the diffuser will be all set. So thanks for watching.